Hey guys, this is Rachel. Now I will be explaining. This is my 10th exercise in database, and here I will be explaining an application which I have created using PHP and SQL. So here I have created an online shopping system, and so for this I have started with a basic banner. So as you can see inside my body tag, I've used a class banner, and inside the div tag, and then I've given this image and the class also over banner. And as you can see, for the CSS for this one, I have done it is in the same HTML page. I'm just using the CSS tag, and I've just done it with 100 for banner and banner image and so on. I've given the details for over banner, and here the next one. I'm gonna create a form, and the form here I've set the margin, I have set the image, and then here I'm just going to ask the user to input the value, like based on what kind of shirt the user chooses, the particular rate is allocated to that. And the user in the form, the user will be able to choose from women's shirt, men's shirt, and children's shirt. The input will be obtained from the user, and the size for the particular shirt, if it's either full, medium, or small, is given in this place, and the color also can be chosen here. And then when the submit button is clicked, the page will be directed to page2.php. In my page 2 of the PHP, I'm just calculating the price of that particular order which is placed. So along with the price, here in this form the user has to enter their first name, last name, their address, city and state. So I've created the form using a drop down list and so on, and then the zip code, phone number, email address, everything is obtained from the user with the help of this form in this PHP. And under this, based on the input that was obtained from the user from the previous form, the global super global variables are used here, and a particular session key is created. And session is something which will enable that the values provided by the user will be enabled for that particular session. Like once the user logs out and logs in again, a new session key is generated. So when the user gives the next button, automatically the page will be redirected to page3.php. In page3.php, all the details that the user has entered before, such as the name, address, the state, the pin code, phone number, email ID, everything will be displayed. This page is created for the user to review the order placed by the user, and all the styling details for that particular page is given inside the div tag and under the style clause. So inside the PHP, this page is used for calculating the bill. So inside the PHP, I have written the code for calculating the bill, like based on the quantity and based on the type or size which is given by the user, the bill is calculated for the shirt. And then finally, when the user will be able to view the amount. So when I run this, my front page is going to be like this. So the user can select what kind of shirt he needs, like either a t-shirt or a hoodie. So if it is a t-shirt, if I'm going to choose a t-shirt and a hoodie, I can either choose it as women's shirt, and inside that the quantity I can give, like say 2, and the size I can adjust in this drop down list, say medium, and the color also I can choose blue. So when I give next, it goes to the form, that is the page2.php. So here the user is supposed to enter the name, As you can see here in this form, the city and this all has an asterisk, which means that that particular value is needed, like the form cannot proceed without that particular value. And 4 numbers, I will give a random phone number and the email address. Okay, and for shipping, if it is a fast shipping, I have given, and standard shipping. So if I choose express, I can just click continue, and the bill is calculated here. This is the user's name, address, and everything which is being displayed here, and this is the amount, this is the total bill, the item which is purchased, the item description, the size, the quantity which was ordered, and the color, and also the amount for that particular thing. So this is it for my 10th exercise for creating an application. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this video.